Before we explore a story using movement, let's wake up our bodies with a lightning version of Anne Green Gilbert's 8-pattern movement brain dance. We'll start with breath, skin, core, head to tail, upper to lower, side to side, cross body, and spin. Let's start with breath. Put your hands on your belly, just under your belly button. And notice as you breathe in that your breath pushes your belly and your hands out. Breathe in. Breathe in, and your arms come up. Breathe out, and your hands go back to your belly. Breathe in and out. Let's wake up your skin. Did you know that your skin is the biggest part of your body? With one hand, pat the other hand and all the way up to the shoulder and back down. Pat the other hand all the way up to the shoulder. Now pat your head, pat your face and your neck, your chest, your belly, your thighs, your knees, your legs, and your toes, and all the way back up. Let's wake up your core. Squeeze down small and explode out big. Squeeze to your core and explode out into the distance. Squeeze down narrow, stretch out wide. Let's wake up your head to your tail or your hips. Move your head side to side, left, right, left, right, left, right, back, front, back, front, back, front. Let's move hips, left, right, left, right, left, right, back, front, back, front, back, front. Now can you move your whole body and keep that hula hoop rolling round and round? Let's wake up upper and lower. We'll begin with your fingers and your hands. Circle backward. Circle back with your elbows. Back with your shoulders. Back with your arms. Let's go the other way. Forward. Forward with your shoulders. Forward with your elbows. Forward with your hands and your fingers. Let's wake up your lower body. Can you circle one ankle and one knee? Circle the other ankle and the other knee. Now let's step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. And now let's do a high knee football run. Let's wake up side to side. Step in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Let's do it quickly. And that first step is going to be a jump. Now stand up big and tall like a great big X, and with one hand, cross your body and touch the opposite toe. Cross, 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 cross. Now we'll cross in front, elbow to knee. Cross, 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 cross. Now let's cross behind, hand to foot, hand, behind, cross, behind, cross, behind. Now cross one foot over the other and spin. You can spin this way too. Step to the right, step, turn, turn. Let's go left, step, turn, turn, step, 2, 3, step, 2, 3, step, 2, 3, step, 2, 3. Also, you can twirl. And hands up, and then back to your belly. And we'll end where we began with breath. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. And that's the lightning brain dance. And now that our bodies are awake, let's explore a story.